Hi, this is Scott Varilek, Koima Varilek Trading in Sioux Center, Iowa. With a great week for the cattle. I mean, it really has. It's still on its all-time high record run, and we've got cash prices 223. Hit a lot of cattle in the north. You know, you've got a major out there along with a bunch of miners. You know, looking for cattle at 223 and and taking them. You know, for a couple days here out looking for them. So entered the week with very manageable show list, but I think this is these kind of cash prices are going to pull cattle out of the woodwork, and we're interested in selling. I mean, those are hard prices to pass, and it's been 3 weeks in a row of just pretty much straight up cash prices, and it just says we're still looking at tight numbers, and our demand is outstanding. We're making them bigger. We know that the weights are there. That's been kind of the whole, with the tighter numbers, we can make them bigger and close up some of that gap where beef production is only slightly behind year-ago levels, but we're killing a lot less numbers. So that's how we've been managing, and I expect that should stay the same. Just dollars are talking. It's hard to replace, an empty pan. You're looking at the feeder calf prices. You'd rather just put some weight on what you currently have. When you're at 223 cash, if you start losing some efficiency on that large critter, big deal. If it climbs up to $1.25 cost of gain, $1.30, $1.40, whatever that decreased efficiency is, it's still well below the 223. So that's what we're looking at now. And entering into that grilling season, Mother's Day weekend coming, that all is going well, and the stock market has finally quit going down. So we've been able to kind of leave that alone for now and trade our raw fundamentals. So we enter the month of May here, and it's usually a pretty good week for packers looking for cattle as well as we transition from the old crop fats to the new crop calves. And I'm not sure that the new crop calves are going to be right around the corner here. I think, like I said, I think we're going to try to put some extra days on them, a little bit more time. So it's all about leverage. The producers have it and are using it right now. Questions, call us Koima Varilek in Sioux Center, Iowa. The risk of loss in trading futures and or options is substantial.